find the area of region bounded by f of x equal to 2 minus x squared and g of x equal to s squared. Before I will start the solution, I want to explain to us if your quadratic formula, if your quadratic equation, if the a is positive, if your a is positive, your graph is going to be of this form. And if your a is negative, the graph will be a cap shape. Those are the first things you need to note. Step 1, find the point of intersection where the two graphs are equal. So where they meet, equate the two equations together, the f of x and g of x. That will be 2x squared equal to 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. So they intersect at that point. Okay, we can draw our graph. We are not doing a perfect graph, just for to know which function is on top, which function is below. I'm going to start with this one. This one is g of x. G of x is going to be symmetrical graph. Symmetrical in the sense that that's my g of x, because the attachment a is a positive, so it's going to be that shape. Then the other one, this one, the attachment, the coefficient of your s square is negative. We expect it to be a cap shape. Okay, so where they meet at a certain point here, so that'll be your minus 1. That's the point of intersection. That's 1. So this graph here, g, this is f of x equal to 2 minus s squared. This one is g of x equal to s squared. Okay, so that's the graph we have. Indicate your y-axis, indicate your x-axis. So in finding the area now, it's going to be integral from the minus 1, the lower limit, to what? To 1. And check the graph. Which one is on top? Which one is below? The one on top is this cap shape, which is equal to what? Then minus the one below, which is what? X squared, dx. So the upper curve minus lower curve. So that's that. So it's going to give us now 2 minus 2x squared. So let's integrate that. So we're going to have 2x. This will be minus 2x cubed over 3. Your upper, that's 1. Your lower limits. Don't forget, if you integrate this one, the power plus 1, that's 3 over what? Over 3. Let's substitute the value. So that will be equal to 2 for the upper limits. Anywhere you see x, put your upper limit there. 2 minus 2 over 3. That's 2 minus 2 over 3. That's the upper limit. Minus the lower limit. Minus 1. So that will be minus 2 over 3. 2 plus 2, that's 4. Minus 2 over 3. Minus times plus, that's minus 2 over 3. So it's giving us 4 minus 4 over 3. So, and that will be equal to this one times this one, that's 12. 12 minus 4 over 3. And that's equal to 8 over 3. So that's that on that graph. Let me try to resketch this one. Yeah, we're not interested on your how neat, how perfect the graph is. Okay, you just want to see, okay, whether you interpret the graph well. But let me draw it very well. Okay, so this one. So that's that. I just redraw it. There's nothing so special there. Just indicate your cap shape, indicate your bow shape where they meet, and that's all on this question. Please smash the watermarks on this video and click on like button. Subscribe to the channel so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, begin to type your comments. Okay, make the session interactive. Begin to type your comments, type your questions, and I promise, I guarantee to respond to your questions as fast as possible. Okay, finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.